Welcome back to the channel My Home My Study. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 7, Motion, Force and Work from 7th standard. So moving to the exercise, first fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. First, if a body traversed a distance in a direct proportion to the time, the speed of the body is constant. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is 0. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a particular direction in unit time. Next, second one is observe the figure and answer the question. So ये फिगर आपको दी गई, इसके बेस पे आपको इसका आंसर लिखना है. सचिन एंड समीर started on a motorbike from place A, took the bike at B, did a task at C, traveled by the route CD to D and then went on to E. Altogether, they took 1 hour for this journey. Find out the actual distance traversed by them and the displacement from A to E. From this, deduce their speed. What was their velocity from A to E in the direction AE? Can this velocity be called average velocity? So इसका आंसर आएगा. So students, this is your answer. आप इसको कॉपी कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. From the groups B and C, choose the proper words for each of the words in group A. So group A, group B and group C. And then erg, force, Newton, dyne, displacement, meter and cm, centimeter. Okay, next. Fourth, a bird sitting on a wire flies, circles around and comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance it's traversed during its flight and its eventual displacement. So इसका आंसर आएगा. A bird takes a circular turn and comes back. The distance traversed by the bird is equal to the circular path that it has taken. Since bird comes back to its original position, the displacement will be 0. Now see the fifth. Explain the following concept in your own words with everyday examples: force, work, displacement, velocity, acceleration, distance. तो students, ये आपका आंसर है. Next one, a ball is rolling from A to D on a flat and smooth surface. Its speed is 2 cm per second. On reaching B, it was pushed continuously up to C. On reaching D from C, its speed had become 4 cm per second. It took 2 seconds for it to go from B to C. What is the acceleration of the ball as it goes from B to C? So आंसर आप यहाँ से कॉपी कर सकते हैं. Question number 7. Solve the following problems. First, a force of 1000 Newton was applied to a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car stopped after moving through 10 meter. How much is the work done? So answer आपको ये formula to. Okay, second. A cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meter in a straight line on a plain and a smooth road. When a force of 2N was applied to it, how much work was done by the force? So formula लगाना है इसका. W is equal to F into S.